Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend is your girl. If this is your first time you just then get post for YouTube or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you could just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. So today we want to talk about one man. The man, if they watch us for this our platform, and the man na Nigeria e dey, not be Europe, you understand. And I know say many people still dey Nigeria wey still dey watch from here. So this man, he say his wife, how his wife take die, and he say he wan still use am encourage some women wey be say dem dey take the same step, so that make dem for not take the same step, say because e dey very dangerous. So he wan use am take advise people, so that una can, if you dey watch this video, so that you go fit advise your sister, you fit advise your brother, your children sef, so that they will not do the same thing. Because according to this our brother, he say his wife na woman wey be say, you know, reincarnation, wey dem say somebody follow person come, follow this one come. So they say the person wey this woman follow come, the time when she fell come life again, as dem dey talk am reincarnation. He say so the woman, she not born pikin, she try to born, she not born pikin, no way. Now she come vow say if she come life again, any man you make pakam belle go enter, any pakam belle, even just say he no even chop the apple, say na touch, she touch the apple, he say belle go enter. Now wetin she vow for her life, say if she come life again. And when he come life again, he come follow this our brother wife take come. As he come, so any small thing pakam, any small thing, they come born, they come born 5 children under few years. Very young lady, you understand, very young lady, under few years they just born many children. They don't get 5 children. So the when she born the 5th one, that daughter come give her warning, come tell her say her body don too dey soft somehow, make she try, make she not born again. Say because if she born, e go dey very very dangerous for her. So then she come say okay, she not go born again. And being na say she don't know say anything na pakam. So then she come say okay, she need to find solution. Then she come go fix coil. All those coil now when ladies dey fix. So she come fix am. As she fix am na, even through coil, the pikin e still come. That's why this our mouth, they say there is power in this our tongue. They really talk and say this mouth, life and death, e dey for this mouth. Now this woman come go fix coil. As she still fix the coil, she can't even get belle. She no know say she get belle with coil. Being as say she fix coil, she just feel at home, they jogodo anyhow, husband dey shop the apple nyaga, because say she feel say she don fix coil, not knowing that e don get belle. So one day, according to the husband, say wife come tell am say something just dey waka for her belle. Wetin dey waka for her belle? Now he come say make did not sure say na pikin, because he fix this thing, so fix am, e no dey get belle. And even the coil, after she fix am, you know that they go control, she still go control, and they say e just dey good position, everything dey okay. So then she come go hospital, go check wetin dey waka for her belle, abi na fibroid, abi na wetin. As e reach there, now they say na pikin don dey go 5 months. Then they come say how you wan do am na to come remove 5 months pregnancy? E get as e be. And she now, she be Christian. She say she don't like abortion at all. You know, those kind of person wey be say pikin fit hard for the life wey they fit come. Abortion, they know they use and sing for their ear. They know they like to do am because all their men be say pikin is precious and all that. Then go say no, they do. Say go leave the pikin, but she know say she dey at risk. So she don't know even this thing when she wants to do the abortion, na still risk too. Una know, because that pregnancy don big na, still 5 months. Now 4 months just remain, maybe say make she born. Now so she take leave am. So the day when she come born, well, according to the husband, he say she just born, everything was okay. She even talk to am. He come say make dem carry pikin give am, she carry pikin. Before you dey know wetin dey happen, she no get herself again. They say whether na convulsion na hold her. Before you know wetin dey happen, they drag. Now so this woman take pass am. Now so this our brother wife, now so he just take go. You understand? So this man now come get 6 children. 6 children, only one dey take care of these 6 children. And because say the baby dey very small, at least the wife sister come help am carry that small one, dey help am dey take care of am. But the rest children, I know say person no fit use person reggae take spoil person blues. Everybody get im own for body. So he come dey take care of the children, because of say he go meet up with the children school, meet up with this, meet up. So e come be like say the thing come dey wear am down. Before you know wetin dey happen, e come lose the work wey im dey work. As e lose the work, e come still dey struggle. The man say im dey struggle now, but right now the children dey don still grow small. Even that small baby wey be say im mama die leave that time, the baby don still grow now. At least she dey like 3 years now. So dem dey take care of her. And the other children too, dem don grow. So if he still do work wey im wan do, e say no work wey im no sabi. So im dey use this opportunity dey beg anybody for this platform, say abeg, im dey Nigeria, im sabi any kind of work wey you know say person dey work, im sabi work well well, and im wan work. If you know any place wey be say work dey available, abeg make una contact this our brother. I go put the number down there below, or if you wan still contact me, you fit still contact me. I go contact this our brother. But if you wan still contact this our brother direct, im number still dey down there. You contact am direct, you give am help of work. He say he really needs work, so that he go fit help the children meet their needs. Say na work, him be very strong man, he dey healthy, he go fit work. So the number dey down there. If na to just support this our brother, una support am. And still another big advice for we women: if you wan fix coil, make we dey go dey check the coil. Not say because say we don fix coil, we just forget ourselves like that. We still need to still dey control ourselves, dey know whether something dey wrong or everything dey right. You understand? Because sometimes the coil, as they talk, they say sometimes it dey shift. Sometimes not be for everybody, depends on the woman flow. Some women flower, they say the flower they flow well, while some flower they flow very small. Especially woman wey their flower they flow well, that this thing they shift am. So if you know say your sister do, your pikin or anybody, your children, just try to go and advise them to be controlling it. You understand? May not be like say a person can't make mistake for wetin person wan do to take help im own self. So my people, I would just like to stop this video for here, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you, and God bless you. I remain your Lady T, your sister, your friend, your pikin, anyone you call me, I dey there for you. If you get anything wey dey bother you, the thing dey chop you, you don't know how you want to do a problem, say it's a problem half solved. Our number dey down there for you to call. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos. Our video don't full here now. Before you watch one, watch two. That's the way you dey think, you don't forget time, instead of you to go dey call person wey know your value, or come dey know. You understand me now? Just enter our video for YouTube, begin dey watch. You see story when we say you go still touch you, that you still learn from other people's story. Thank you. God bless you. See you on our next video. Bye. Hello, welcome to this YouTube channel. Welcome to this our YouTube channel. We just want to talk about one of our member of this our platform. His name is Mr. Andrew, and then he run a digital media company in UK. So he specializes in media courses, like for instance, maybe you want to do business analysis, software test analysis, software test manager, hire and crew masters, to design website, to do all these things for computer. You understand me? Now anything you think you want to do for computer, now just 3 months courses wey be say you need to go, and if you go, they'll give you certificate. If you use and work anywhere, especially maybe you first sabi computer small and you can't learn this one join now, it go be bonus for you with your certificate. If you use and work anywhere, and you go earn better money. You understand? So it will help you so that you can help other people to design websites, and you just dey house. Especially this summer time when be say everybody they travel, some people don't take holiday for work. You can use this opportunity to take learn this this media computer courses. So you can use this opportunity to learn. Now, you just, the guy dey UK, na manager for a company dey UK, but na online studies, na online una take dey study. And if you want to study this thing online, na too, you just need to call this number wey dey the screen, then e go tell you how you go take fit come in and how you go take register anywhere you dey for part of the world, whether you dey Africa, you dey Europe, Italy, Spain, Germany, any part of the world. You can just go this online courses. Wetin you just need na just your computer and your network. Okpari, na only that one you need. And if you just get these two things now, then you register, then you start to dey learn within 3 months. But if you be person wey be say you smart well, other 2 months too, you don cash up. Or that your holiday time wey be say you take sit down dey think, use am take go this course. They say an idle mind is the devil workshop. Time wey you take dey think wetin you no suppose to think, use am just take register for these courses, and you go see say e go help you, and you go use am support anything wey you dey do before. You go see say maybe they say if you follow your look dance, you follow your look dance. Now you see the real dance, how it take start, how it take end. You just dey follow one way, you still try something else. You understand? These courses na courses wey be say e go benefit you. You fit use am help other people, because in na computer wizard as they talk. So in wan still use am take help people, so that people go still know more about this computer courses online. You no need to buy fuel, you no need to travel down to UK, you no need to come dey pay transport fare or dey look for visa. Na for your house jejeje you go just learn this computer. And make you not forget, if you call this number wey dey down below, or you wan contact this our brother, you fit contact am through me, or you decide say you wan contact am through this number below, because say he be member of this our platform. He say anybody wey go come through this platform, as in through dreams with Lady T, say you call my name, say Lady T, na through Lady T platform you take see this advert. From there you go see am say e go give you €100 discount. Any amount they take dey register, you go minus €100 for you, because him too na member of this our platform. So thank you, and God bless you. So let's go to our topic.